Facebook, the world's largest social media platform, offers not only a space for connection and sharing but also tremendous opportunities to generate income. With billions of active users and a robust advertising ecosystem, individuals and businesses can tap into the vast potential of Facebook to earn money. In this article, we explore various strategies and avenues through which you can leverage Facebook to monetize your skills, knowledge, and online presence. 1. Creating a Facebook page. One of the primary ways to make money on Facebook is by creating a dedicated Facebook page. Whether you're an artist, entrepreneur, content creator, or expert in a particular field, a Facebook page allows you to showcase your work, products, or services to a wide audience. By consistently posting high-quality content, engaging with your followers, and utilizing Facebook's advertising tools, you can attract a loyal community and monetize your page. 3. Selling products or services. Facebook provides an ideal platform for individuals and businesses to sell products and services directly to their audience. You can set up a Facebook shop on your page, showcasing your offerings and providing a seamless purchasing experience for your customers. Whether it's physical products, digital downloads, or even consulting services, Facebook's robust e-commerce features enable you to reach potential buyers and facilitate transactions effortlessly. 4. Sponsored content and influencer marketing. If you have a sizable following on Facebook and have established yourself as an influential figure, you can collaborate with brands and businesses for sponsored content and influencer marketing campaigns. As an influencer, you can promote products, services, or events to your audience in exchange for a fee or free products. Authenticity and transparency are essential in building trust with your followers, so be selective about the partnerships you pursue. 5. Facebook ad breaks. For creators of video content, Facebook ad breaks offer an additional avenue for revenue generation. By incorporating ad breaks into your eligible Facebook videos, you can earn a share of the ad revenue generated from those ads. This program provides an opportunity to monetize your engaging video content and grow your income as your viewership increases. 6. Facebook groups and communities. Facebook groups can be a valuable asset for generating income. By creating or joining relevant groups in your niche, you can establish yourself as an authority and build a community of like-minded individuals. Within these groups, you can offer premium content, courses, coaching sessions, or exclusive memberships, monetizing your expertise and the value you provide. 7. Freelancing and service offerings. If you have marketable skills such as graphic design, writing, social media management, or web development, you can utilize Facebook to promote your freelance services. Joining relevant professional groups, showcasing your portfolio, and actively networking with potential clients can help you secure freelancing gigs and expand your client base. 8. Facebook Live and streaming. Facebook Live presents an opportunity to engage with your audience in real time, share valuable insights, host Q&A sessions, or even showcase your talent. During your live broadcasts, you can integrate sponsored content, product promotions, or donation requests to monetize your live streams. Additionally, you can encourage viewers to support your work through virtual gifts or direct donations, building trust and adding value. While exploring these strategies to make money from Facebook, it's crucial to prioritize building trust with your audience and consistently adding value to their lives. Quality content, authenticity, and meaningful engagement are key factors in establishing a loyal following and fostering long-term success. In conclusion, Facebook's vast user base, powerful advertising tools, and diverse monetization options make it a fertile ground for individuals and businesses seeking to generate income online. By leveraging the various strategies mentioned in this article, you can unlock the potential of Facebook and turn your passion, expertise, or entrepreneurial pursuits into a viable source of revenue. Embrace the opportunities, stay committed to your goals, and continuously adapt to the evolving landscape of Facebook to maximize your earning potential.